Team BTR is receiving championship trophy from Association, Mr. Hemendranath Brahma, to come to the podium. So please. The man of the match for today's final match award will be presented by Honorable General Secretary of Assam Football Association, Mr. Hemendranath Brahma. Today's man of the match for final match is from winning team, jersey number 17, Jungla Brahma. Jungla, please come up. The check of 10,000 rupees and a trophy. Honorable General Secretary of Assam Football Association, Mr. Hemendranath Brahma, will present today's Man of the Match award. Ladies and gentlemen, Man of the Match for today's final match, Jungla Brahma from winning side. Congratulations to Jungla Brahma. And thank you so much to Mr. Hemendranath Brahma for presenting today's Man of the Match award. Thank you so much. Two players will receive Golden Boot award. That is Jungla Brahma and Manisol Musahari. To present this award, we call Honorable Deputy CM of BTR will present today's highest scorer of the tournament. The award goes to Jungla Brahma and Manisol Musahari. Check out 25,000 and Golden Boot. The score, highest score is 6. Both the players, Jungla Brahma and Manisol Musahari, able to score 6 goals. Please put your hand together for today's highest scorer of the tournament, Jungla Brahma and Manisol Musahari. Congratulations to Jungla Brahma and Manisol Musahari. Thank you so much to Deputy CM of BTR, the Minister of Cemetery, and Deputy CM of Garo Hills Autonomous District. May I now invite Honorable CM of BTR, Mr. Pramod Boro, to come forward. So please, player of the tournament for first Ispl 2022. The player of the tournament award will be presented by Honorable CEM of Bodoland Territorial Division, Mr. Pramod Boro. The player of the tournament, obviously there are lots of contenders, but the one who won the award is none other than Jungla Brahma. Check of rupees 28,000 and a trophy. Jungla Brahma. Spectacular performance by Jungla Brahma. I'm sure you all enjoy the performance of Jungla Brahma. Congratulations to Jungla Brahma. Thank you so much to CM of BTR, Mr. Pramod Boro, for presenting Player of the Tournament award. To present this award, we now invite Honorable Member of Parliament, Mr. Rangara Nazari. Honorable Member of Parliament, Raja Subha, Mr. Rangara Nazari will present the second runners-up award, and to collect the second runners-up award, may I now invite DSO of Kabiang Long, Really Rongham. Also in this presentation party, joining us is Tanu Pujari, Honorable Vice President of Assam Football Association. Check of rupees 1 lakh and a trophy. Thank so much for presenting second runners-up award. Mr. Rangara Narzari, Honorable MP, Rajya Sabha, and Santanu Pazari, Honorable Vice President of Assam Football Association. Thank you so much. Ispl Season 1, organized by Bodoland Territorial Region. The first runners-up, Lai Autonomous District Council, will collect check of 2 lakh and a trophy. We now invite Honorable President of Assam Football Association, Mr. Nobo Kumar Dole, to present first runners-up award. And also I would like to invite Captain of Lai Autonomous District Council football team and manager and all the players. Check of ₹2 lakh and runners-up trophy. First runners-up award will be presented by Mr. Nobo Kumar Dole, President Assam Football Association and MLA from Dubakana constituency. Yes, please. Player of Lai Autonomous District Council. Captain of Lai Autonomous District Council, Lal Biang Juala. Now, the captain will collect the trophy. I request all the players of Lai Autonomous District Council to come to the podium. Also, coach, manager, and all officials of Lai Autonomous District Council. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hand together for Lai Autonomous District Council, the first runners of Ispl Season 1. Akan kopna anak bapak Jepang, Lai Autonomous District Council ini pakai. Lal Han Lau Mua, Lal Biak Juala, Joseph Lal Mong Mua, Bangkai Muang Nawa, Lal Ding Puya, Gretas Lal Ne Liana, S. Lal Sema, Paul Lal Ding Sangha, Francis Rim Ruan Saka, Ming Kang Maui, V. Lal Ming Muana, Samuel H. Lal Ring Geta, Lal Cross Moya, Gang Jola, Coach Banlal Pikaralti, Manager F. Randing Sangha, Physio Dr. Lal Thanga Zama, Official Jonathan H. Learning Puya. Congratulations to Lai Autonomous District Council football team. The champion award will be presented by Honorable President of Assam Indian Football Federation, Mr. Kalyan Chobe. Honorable President of All India Football Federation, Mr. Kalyan Chobe, will present Champion Award. May I now request all the players of BTR to come to the podium. Our Honorable Chief Guest, President of All India Football Federation, will address a short in this presentation ceremony.
मैं कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करता हूँ बोडोलैंड बीटीआर जो टीम आज यहाँ पे चैंपियन हुआ। मैंने पूरा मैच देखा। हमारे साथ ऑनरेबल सीएम प्रमोद बोरो जी थे, असम के फुटबॉल प्रेसिडेंट नवल कुमार दोले जी थे। मैच देखते देखते मुझे एक चीज दिमाग में आया। देश के एक प्रांत में बोडोलैंड, यदि मैं यहाँ ना आया होता भारत के एक प्रांत में बोडोलैंड, यदि मैं यहाँ ना आया होता तो मुझे ये मालूम नहीं होता कि यहाँ पे फुटबॉल के लिए इतना उत्साह है और इतना टैलेंट है। मुझे लगता है मिजोरम के लाई काउंसिल जरूर अच्छा खेले हैं। मेरा बेस्ट विशेष है उनके साथ। लेकिन बोडोलैंड के टीम जिस तरह से एक शुरू से कॉन्फिडेंस, स्किल, स्पीड और कॉम्बिनेशन दिखाया। टीम 1-0 आप है, फिर भी मैं पीछे देख रहा कैप्टन जर्सी नंबर 4, जर्सी नंबर 19 दोनों स्टॉपर बैक जिस तरह से बॉल को ग्राउंड में रख रहा, पासेस खेल रहा, गोलकीपर के इतना लॉन्ग किक करने की एबिलिटी, जर्सी नंबर 17 अटैकिंग थर्ड में इतना अच्छा खेलना, जर्सी नंबर 11 इतने अच्छा लेफ्ट स्प्रिंग से बॉल को मूव करना, बाद में जर्सी नंबर 10 आकर के मिडफील्ड संभालना। तो मैं समझ रहा था इस बोडोलैंड में मैं ऑनरेबल सीएम प्रमोद बोरो जी को ये प्रस्ताव देना चाहता हूँ कि इस महीना 3 नवंबर से ओडिशा, वेस्टर्न ओडिशा में बाजरी राउत कप हो रहा है। हालांकि सभी 8 आई लीग टीम खेलेंगे। श्रीनगर से गोवा चर्चिल ब्रदर्स, मुंबई केकरे, दिल्ली एफसी, कलकत्ता के मॉडर्न स्पोर्टिंग क्लब, मुंबई इम्फाल के टीम खेलेंगे। सभी टीम जो है आई लीग टीम के खेलेंगे। बोडोलैंड के टीम मुझे लगता है उस टीम के साथ कॉम्पीट कर सकता है और मैं जा करके मैं ये प्रयास करूंगा कि बोडोलैंड के टीम वहां आए और इनवाइटी के रूप से खेले। ये घोषणा मैं समझता हूँ बोडोलैंड टीम डिजर्व करता है।
We now request captain of team BTR to come forward and collect the champion trophy from our chief guest, Honorable President of All India Football Federation, Mr. Kalyan Chove. Take out rupees 3 lakh and champion trophy. The players of BTR are Kamdan Bromo, Burjai Bromo, Rajiv Boro, Ditun Hazwari, Surat Narzari, Situ Bosumatari, Sibra Narzari, Sanam Bosumatari, Michinga Deibari, Jungla Bromo, Moneshwar Musahari, Phumkha Bosumatari, Bharat Bosumatari, Timothy Narzari, Agama Bosumatari, Michael Timari, Vikresa Banglari, Ronald Borgari, Megras Bosumatari, Coach Vikran Sharma, Manager Jaikom Promo, Physio Ranjit Islari, Official Assistant Coach Rimalu Bosumatari and Royal Bosumatari, Mentor Dr. Sangrang Promo. To Team BTR. spectacular performance in this campaign. Champion team, BTR, Bodoland Territorial Region, will receive championship trophy from today's chief guest, Honorable President of All India Football Federation, Mr. Kalyan Chove. Check of rupees 3 lakh and championship trophy. Congratulations to Bodoland Territorial Region team. Team BTR is receiving championship trophy from today's chief guest, Honorable President of All India Football Federation, Mr. Kalyan Chove. Congratulations to Bodoland Territorial Region football team. And thank you so much for all the entertainment you have provided to us. I'm sure all of us love the football played by our Bodoland Territorial Region team. Congratulations once again. Thank you so much to Honorable President of All India Football Federation for presenting championship award to Bodoland Territorial Region. Congratulations once again to BTR team for winning the first Ispl, first Inter-6 Senior Council Premier Football League 2022. In this tournament, 8 councils have participated and BTR team